Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So this is going to be the last video for a while because there's going to be some renovation going on in my workshop area because we're getting AC installed inside the shop, so that's going to be good. I'm going to have a fully functional studio instead of this ladder and a 2x4 whatever with that cedar board is, testing rig. So a lot of new changes are coming, so I figured before I leave for a little bit, I'll do a video of these San Marinos here. Got these off of eBay. If you guys haven't watched the last two videos, go ahead and check them out, and I'll give the whole background on how I got these. Both of these came used in box. I have all the parts, I just have them flush mounted like this. This one, as you can see, is the older style, like the Carousel 2 kind of switch housing, and then this one over here, it's just the newer style switch housing. They're a little dirty, I explain why in the previous video. But yeah, let's start the light. There's the lights. Have the rosewood side facing down both. One thing I did notice on these side by side just now, actually, the rosewood on this fan is darker than this one because it's like kind of glossy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is glossy. This one doesn't work correctly, so for some reason it reverses on this low speed or whatever speed it has. I need to rewire it because one over there, the far left one, was missing a ton of parts, like wiring wise. It was missing the pole chain and some wiring, and I wired it up how it is, and that's what happened. Go to medium now. The fan over there does not have a medium, so we'll just stay on, I think that is medium. We'll just stay on the medium-ish, low, whatever speed that is. And I'll bump it up to high later. Or whatever speed it goes to, because it's weird, because watch, if I pull the chain, it reverses off the, the speed, and then I have no idea. We'll just leave it like this for now. Here's high and both. spin down. I'll cut both of them here at the plug. And I'll just leave that one over there on high. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.